masking, threats of revenge, violence, and plans for an escape. A prosecutor says that's how George Wagner and his family dealt with being suspects in the murders of 8 people.
Anjanette Levy was in court today in Pike County as the older Wagner son entered his plea.
George Wagner pleaded not guilty to all 22 charges he's facing in the Rhoden and Gilley murders. His attorneys were asking the judge to allow him to post some type of bail. George Wagner was soft-spoken as he answered the judge's questions. The 27-year-old's attorneys argued that he should be eligible for bail.
Mr. Wagner has no prior record whatsoever, including traffic offenses.
Wagner and his family were under suspicion for the murders for well over a year. His attorney said he had cooperated with the investigation.
Mr. Wagner had been in frequent contact with law enforcement. They knew his every move. He notified him where he was going, and he responded to them anytime they had questions.
But Assistant Attorney General ANGIE CANEPA said Wagner should stay in jail until his trial because he's facing the death penalty if convicted.
In this matter, Your Honor, obviously the allegations are that he broke into 4 separate residences on one night and did participate in the killing of 8 different individuals, most of whom lay sleeping in their beds.
CANEPA also said that George Wagner was the most vocal when it came to the family's plans for revenge and violence against members of law enforcement and anyone else who went against their family. Judge Deering denied George Wagner's request for bail. He remains in the Ross County Jail. At the Pike County Courthouse, Anjanette Levy, Local 12 News.
Anjanette, thank you so much for that report this evening. George Wagner's mother, Angela, will be arraigned tomorrow. Investigators say the motive for the murder stems from a custody dispute over a daughter Jake Wagner had with Hannah Rhoden.